Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Brian Sequeira and these are the headlines. Goa 365 wishes all its viewers and well-wishers a happy Diwali. Relief for Goans as on the heels of centre reducing excise duty on fuel by 5 rupees and 10 rupees for petrol and diesel, state reduces amount by 7 rupees. Goa got a rain in Arcasur with rain expected till 6th. Thunderstorm accompanied by lightning till 7th. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to hover around 34 degrees and 23 degrees Celsius respectively. And now for the news in detail. Wishing everyone a happy Diwali. Goa celebrates Diwali, the festival of lights, and this time entire Goa is looking forward to a healthier and more prosperous year as we are emerging from the shadow of coronavirus.
We here at Goa 365 wishing our viewers happy and prosperous Diwali. The Narkasur festivities were drenched by the rains. Despite this, young lads celebrated Narkasur and burnt it during wee hours. At a few places, rain spoiled the excitement, while at many places, Narkasurs were seen taking shelters in halls and sheds. The use of new technology was seen in this cultural fiesta. Watched the tall standing Narkasur, the cremation, also the captivating diyas and Akash Kandils. The Explode Boys from Kalangut Baga stole the show by organizing Diwali Utsav 2021. The boys showed their skills and talents on Diwali Eve. Fancy dress, Akash Kandil, Narkasur competitions was organized. These competitions too drawn attention of participants and people. The colorful Akash Kandil and the fancy dress by young kids was mind-blowing. Watch.
Hello friends, माझे नाव डॉक्टर समीरा अलगुंडे. हांव एक डेंटिस्ट म्हणजे दातांचे दोतोर. माझ्याकडे खूप तरेचे ट्रीटमेंट आसा, जशे की दात क्लीन करप, फिलिंग करप, आणि कोणाक दात ना जाल्यार तेका असले डेंचर घालप.
तीनों देवता चाहत कर भी मेरा कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ पाए, और तुम अकेली अबला नारी मेरा क्या कर सकती हो?
की मास्क घालपाचो ना, सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग दवरपाचो ना, आणि वॅक्सिनेटेड जावपाचे ना, हँड वॉश ना हँड सॅनिटायझर करपाचो ना. जर तुम्ही हे फॉलो केले म्हाका बरें दिसतलें आणि हांव खुश जातलो.
सफलता कौन नहीं पाना चाहता, हर एक व्यक्ति चाहता है कि सफलता स्वयं आकर उनके कदम छूए. अब सफलता केवल उनके कदम छूती है जिनके पांव धरातल पर होते हैं, जो स्वप्न की आशा में उड़ते नहीं, जो यथार्थ के धरातल से जुड़े होते हैं, वो भी दृढ़ता के साथ.
Good evening to all. I am Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. I am also known as the father of the nation. I am writer, lawyer, politician and socially forward from Porbandar in Gujarat. I fought for the freedom of our country. तुम्ही सगळे जाण म्हाका पण अजाप जालीशे दिसता. कितें म्हणटा? हय, हांव डस्टबिनूच उलयता. तुमच्या घरान, तशेंच शाळेनी, ऑफिसांनी, बागेन, बाजारान, रस्त्या कुशीक अशे खुबशे जाग्यांचेर आसता. आणि हे कितें? म्हाका पण तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी नाका लागसो दवरलो, घाणवास आयलो, मागीर याचा जबाबदार कोण? तुम्हीच न्हय. आमचो सभोवतालचो परिसर आनी आमचो देश नितळ दवरपा खातीर आमचे प्रधानमंत्री बाब नरेंद्र मोदीन स्वच्छ भारत अभियान सुरू केला. पूण कांय लोक म्हजे कडेन लक्षच दिनात.
Now take a look to finely crafted, attractive, bewitching and beautiful Akash Kandil. These are the Narkasur effigies from Panaji. This year there was no much competitions. There was fear of rain and it also rained. Huge effigies were made in many places. The lads showed their skills through Narkasur. The effigies drawn lots of crowd from people. Mahesh Goekar, William Rodriguez and Samip Narvekar for Goa 365.
The centre has reduced excise duty on fuel by 5 rupees and 10 rupees for petrol and diesel respectively after fuel cost had touched the skies. Goa government too followed suit and reduced the cost of fuel by 7 rupees. Petrol rates are now reduced by 11.42 rupees and diesel by 16.81 rupees.
The prices of petrol and diesel have been skyrocketing. The fuel prices had already crossed the century mark. Soon after the decision of the central government, the state government too slashed the additional 7 rupees on both diesel and petrol. Reducing cost on fuel is a Diwali gift given by the central government, the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant said. There would be control on inflation as there is already control on fuel hike and common people would be relieved, he added. As the centre has slashed excise cost of 5 and 10 rupees on diesel and petrol respectively, this has resulted in a slight decrease in fuel rates. In the national capital Delhi, petrol rate is 103.97 rupees from 110.4 rupees. Diesel has slipped from 83.67 from 98.43 rupees. Due to this, declined petrol in Mumbai now costs 109.98 rupees and diesel 94.14 rupees. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. A portion of ancient Ribandar Causeway collapsed on Wednesday night. Luckily, no untoward incident was reported. The causeway has been shut for repairs and traffic is being diverted through Kadamba bypass. Banauli and Sarauli locals should not get worked up over the Western Bypass issue. The work of Western Bypass is closed, the Banauli MLA Churchill Alemao said. He also made it clear that he was not the MLA when Western Bypass was approved.
Some sections were up in arms after there were talks that the Western Bypass work was resuming. The contractor had even made place to dump material. People thought that the work of Western Bypass was all set to resume and had objected to it. Banauli MLA Churchill Alemao gave a clarification on the matter.
Banauli लोकांनी सरावलीच्या लोकांनी मिसगाड जावपा नाका तिंगा ती वेस्टर्न बायपास सद्या चालू जायना सद्या बंद उरला त्या दिसाक जेन्ना जो रेबेलो आनी ते माजिना ते सगळे कॅप्टन सगळे वचून ते सगळे बंद केला आतां तुमच्या आनी वचून मिनिस्टरा कडेन आमगेलो ही भावस्करा कडेन तसो ही कामोदा कडेन जावं तुगेलो हो आमगेलो सी पळय हा गुप्ता कडेन विचारपा जाता आनी प्रूफ करपा जाता आनी आतां पळय ती हालकीत जातले ते आमकां ते कॅम्प ते तेंगे वस्तू बस्तू करपाक ते तितलेंच
आनी काय जावपा ना
कांय जावपा ना आनी सद्या आतां वेस्टर्न बायपास बंद जाला पूण एक स्ट्रेच जेन्ना तो हारेबंद आसा रस्तो पळय थिंग ते वयलोलो पुरोवपाक थिंगा हाल्या देखून ते कितें कुताय पळय ते कॅम्प करता धाकटें कॅम्प ते सगळें सामान घालपाक तेंगे मनशान दवरपाक एक धाकटें कॅम्प करता तेजे मुखार हाडूं न्हय हांव आयकत ते प्रमाणे थिंगा आतां बिस्ती नाक्स जाल्लोले जे पळय वेस्टेड मनीस आहाय जे वेस्टेड पळय मनीस आहाय जे तांकां पॉलिटिक्स करपा जाय हेजेर तो सद्या बंद दवरलो आहा अनलेस आमगेली रिप्लाय मेळना ते पर्यंत तो वेस्टर्न बायपास चालू जावपाचो ना पूण हाल्या पड ती कितें करपाचें आहा हाल्या पळय थिंगा त्या रस्त्याचें कितें करपा आहा तें मात घायला थिंगा हालीं कॅम्प करता ते थिंगा ते कॅम्प थिंगा सायडीक तेंगेले सगळे वस्तू घालपाक आनी तेंगेले मानायक ते कोण पळय आहाय थिंगा रावपाक इतलेंच आनी कांय ना आनी थिंगा आतां आवाज केला रॉयलान आनी ते कोण तो हिंगाचो सेरावली तो आम आदमी बारा भोंवता 5 तेजें नांव 5 तो म्हाका येना तो तेमी आवाज केला आनी ती लोकां आपयताय थिंगसो पुरसांव काडया आनी थिंग करया म्हणून कसो पुरसांव तें इलेक्शनाचें पुरसांव काडपाक गरज ना लोकांक मागता लोकांक भिवपाची गरज ना.
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Banauli.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Now for the weather. There will be thunderstorm accompanied with lightning at a few places till the 7th and heavy rainfall on 4th, 5th and 6th at isolated places. Most places will receive light to moderate rainfall till the 8th. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to hover around 34 degrees Celsius and 23 degrees Celsius respectively.
There is expected to be a gradual fall in temperature by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius after the next 24 hours. Early morning travelers are warned to remain alert for light haze and fog in the early morning hours at isolated places till the 8th. There will be squally weather with wind speed reaching 40 to 50 km per hour, gusting to 60 km per hour along and off the North Maharashtra Goa coast on the 8th of November. Fishermen are advised to avoid venturing out to sea during the period. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365 TV, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV, or download our app, which is available on both Android and iPhones, to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Goa365.